In the second tutorial of section 8.2, where we are applying the principle of integration to find y when dy by dx is given in the form of dy by dx equal to an multiplied by x power n plus an minus 1 multiplied by x power n minus 1 plus so on plus a null or 0. Then you can apply the principle of integration separately to each term of dy by dx. As you can see in example 3, we have dy by dx, different terms, and we are asked to find y. In order to find y or f of x, then we need to find the integration of each term separately and add a constant by the end, as in the given rules or both rules that we already know, we have to mention the constant c. Now let's go to set of exercises 8b, page 136. Go to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 says find f of x when f prime of x is given by the following expressions. In each case, simplify your answer. Part F. In part F, we have f prime of x equal to 9x squared plus 4x to the power minus 3 plus 1 over 4x to the power minus 1. Then we are asked to integrate it so we can find f of x. As we mentioned previously, to find f of x for all of the expression, we need to find the integration of each term separately. The first term, 9x squared, by comparison, k equal 9 and n equal 2. We compared with f prime of x that we already know equal to k multiplied by x power n. Then n plus 1 is equal to 3. The integration of the first term is 9 over n plus 1, which is k over n plus 1, multiplied by x to the power n plus 1, that is in this case equal to 3. After simplification, 9 by 3 is 3 multiplied by x to the power 3. This is the integration of the first term. Let's go to the second term, 4x to the power minus 3. Then, by comparison, k equal 4 plus 4 and n equal to minus 3. If we say that 4 is k and n is minus 3, then n plus 1 equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Now the integration of this term is plus 4 over n plus 1, that is minus 2, multiplied by x to the power n plus 1, that is minus 2. After simplification, 4 over minus 2 is minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. Let's go the last term and integrate it. We have 1 over 4 multiplied by x to the power minus 1 over 2. By comparison, k equal 1 over 4 and n equal minus 1 over 2. Then n plus 1 equal minus 1 over 2 plus 1 equal half plus half. Therefore, we say the integration of the last term is 1 over 4 divided by n plus 1, that is 1 over 2 multiplied by x to the power n plus 1, that is 1 over 2. After simplification, 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2 is 1 over 2 multiplied by x to the power 1 over 2. We simplified now, or we integrated all of the terms of f prime of x. So we substitute them in f of x. So we get 3x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power minus 2. And the last term, that is plus 1 over 2x to the power 1 over 2. And we have to remember always to write the constant c. In the end of each integration, we have to write the constant c. After solving this part, as a student, you are able now to go to set of exercises 8b again and try to solve exercise number 1, where we are asked to find y when dy by dx is given. As you can see in exercise 1, we have different expressions and we are asked to find y when dy by dx is given, and in exercise 2 we have f of x and f prime of x. This is the difference between both exercises, how we write dy by dx or f prime of x, which is the same result.